Ready to skyrocket your brand with the perfect domain name? Buckle up, because we've got a crash course in domain name tips and tricks that will take your online presence to the next level. In today's digital age, your domain name is your digital storefront. It's the first thing customers see, so let's make it count. Tip 1. Short and snappy. Keep your domain name short, simple, and memorable. Think Google, Apple, or Tesla. One-word wonders. Tip 2. Get creative. Don't be afraid to stand out. A unique, creative domain name can make your brand unforgettable. Tip 3. Mobile magic. With mobile users on the rise, ensure your domain name is mobile-friendly and easy to pronounce. It's all about accessibility. Tip 4. Lock it down. Secure your brand by registering various domain extensions. .com is king, but don't ignore .net, .org, and more. They're your insurance. Tip 5. Brand harmony. Match your domain name with your brand identity. It should convey your story, mission, and values. Let it resonate. Bonus tip 6. Act now, don't hesitate. Great domain names disappear fast. Seize the opportunity and lock in that perfect domain name today. Don't let your brand be just another blip on the web. These domain name tips and tricks are your ticket to digital stardom. Secure your brand's future online and watch it rise to new heights. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to make your mark in the digital world. Grab that dream domain name and let your brand shine. Thank you for joining us today for these essential domain name tips and tricks. Get ready to take your brand to the top. Visit us below.